Okay. What? I just stay.
Yeah, sure. Oh, did I put you on stage? Okay, I'm gonna remove you, Kong, later. Okay, good. We'll talk in the private chat.
VGG! VGG! VGG!
WXP is our unique XP point that can be used as credit to purchase merchandise on our platform. You can earn WXP by participating in activities such as quests, events, and tournaments on the platform. You can check your task by clicking on your Tasks tab to complete the task and claim a reward. You can check your WXP by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner. WXP can be used to purchase items on our marketplace at w3gg.io/marketplace. More items will be available in the future. That's not all. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the future.
Hello, Vinska.
Hello, coffee. Who am I talking to here? Oh, you cannot open your video, is it?
Yeah, yeah,
It's okay,
I'm.
girl.
Yeah, maybe we're gonna be anonymous for a while. Faceless.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, happy Tuesday. How's your Tuesday going so far?
It's been pretty hectic, but it's good. How about yours?
It's been good too. It's a really exciting week. I mean, like at the same time while we're hosting this, we
Mhm.
are waiting for our Legends of Illumia Epoch Mint,
Oh my
part
god, yes.
VGG plus treasure hunt plus with Legends of Illumia. So yeah, we will be posting the
Mhm.
link to the page for the
Yeah.
minting in a few. So do keep, so everyone do keep up on that in our socials. So yeah, hello
So exciting.
Octavianus. I'm so sorry, I can't
That's
pronounce that.
Vian. That's
Oh,
Vian.
Vian. Okay.
Yeah. Hi.
Vian, hello. They are
Hello.
in YouTube. Ah, we have Dini and we have Lix. Hello, everyone. Welcome. So, do we
Hi,
have anyone in
hi.
Discord? Do we have people on
Do
Discord?
we? We have Gong. Hi,
Hi,
Gong.
Gong.
Our
Hi,
emotional and
Gong.
technical support for tonight.
Yep, yep,
Gong,
yep.
the great Gong
So,
himself. Hey,
yeah.
guys.
Okay. Hello,
Awesome.
everyone. Welcome
Yeah,
to We Learn.
I think it's so exciting that we are going live with Legends of Illumia tonight. Because if you don't know, Coffee, we had a pre-mint
Mm-hmm.
in the Philippines last month, and it was so fun. It was so fun seeing everyone getting excited to draw their anime action figure and all
Yep.
that. So sad that you weren't there to join us, but I
Yeah.
know you're there with us in spirit. But it was really
Yes,
fun, and
ma'am.
I'm yeah. I hope everyone is having a great time minting. It's so fun, and yeah, let us know which NFT you get.
Yeah, yeah, and like the I guess the most exciting part about this mint really it really is kind of the first time where yeah,
Mhm.
Web3 or like yeah, the NFT minting aspect of Web3 is merging with like the receiving of real life
Yep.
rewards.
Yeah,
Especially in a
exactly.
large scale as this one. So I think that
Hmm.
is like the best part of this. And yeah, we're really excited. So do stay updated on our socials. We will be posting the link to where you'll be minting very soon. And yeah, so today will be the whitelist mint. It will be on 3 p.m. UTC, and tomorrow it will be followed by the public mint 3 p.m. UTC as well. So
Whoop
yeah,
whoop.
yep. While we already
Awesomeness.
have that out of the way. So today it's We Learn Tuesday, as always. This is the opportunity for us and the community to learn more about Web3 together.
Hmm.
So yeah, I have been in Web3 for like a year and a half, almost 2 years now, and there's still so much things to learn. So
So
yeah, I'm very
many
excited.
things.
Yeah.
Yep.
So let us grab our screen.
All right, let's add that to the stage. Awesome.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Wow. Yeah,
Yep.
Coffee tried to give me like a preview before we go live, and I honestly have no idea what we're talking about here. So it's good to learn. You learn something new every day, girly.
Yep. Yep. So yeah, so we actually last we learned we started with a Web3 glossary. So yeah, like any glossary for any topic, it is a listing of of a bunch of terms in alphabetical order for that particular topic. So for this one, it is Web3 for Web3 specific terms. Of course, this is not the entire Web3 vocabulary. That is kind of impossible to cover.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, considering how there are more terms all the time. But I think what I've added here are pretty much like, I think, essential. I think as basics to learn. Aside from that, it's thrown around a lot in the space, and there have been a lot of times where yeah, I would be talking with someone who is very experienced in Web3, and they mention
Mhm.
all these foreign terms, and I feel like an alien. So
Oh my god,
yeah.
true. Facts. I actually have a geek Bible. I think I still have it here.
Oh.
Like the first month that I worked in WeGG, I I don't know what Irene is talking about. I was like, what are you talking about? I don't understand what you're talking about. It's like she kept on like talking on all of these terms that I thought was not English. Um so if you guys can see it here, I don't know if you guys can see it here, but I have a geek Bible, guys. It's literally like full of like initials and jargons. I don't know what this is, but like it's everything that Irene was talking about. So until now, the Geek Bible keeps on adding up.
Yep. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, because Web3 is still a relatively growing space and growing industry,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yep.
So more terms will be added up. Possibly some terms will be taken out. Who knows? So yeah, I think from the start, I tried to really do my research on which terms I think are important or are thrown around a lot that we can learn from this. So yeah, last time we started this and we ended in it in letter H or I. So yeah, a little recap on I. We have ICO, IDO, or initial coin offering, initial DEX offering, and identity verification services. So we briefly
Mm-hmm.
already touched on it. An initial coin offering is a fundraising method in which a project or company sells its own tokens or cryptocurrencies to investors. So we in like for these type of like systems, a lot of Web3 companies actually already go through this. These are just like the terms of like the thing. Yeah. So for
Yep.
then for IDO, initial DEX offering a token sale conducted directly on a decentralized exchange without the need for a centralized intermediary. Yeah, so for example, like Pancake Swap. So centralized exchanges are Binance, Coinbase. When you do like a token launch or a token sales through these things, there is still a central authority governing as you do your launch or as people do their transactions. Meanwhile, yeah, for example, like pancake swaps or other decentralized exchanges, most of the token sales are, yeah, that's what they call it, initial dex offering. And an identity verification service. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, we kind of already get the gist of this.
Mm-hmm.
This
Mm-hmm.
services that verify and validate the identity of individuals or entities for compliance and security purposes. So, for example, like when we made our Binance account, we are asked to submit our ID and all of that. So, just to verify, make sure you don't have any sus records. You never know.
Yep.
So,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep. We need to double check. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just to
Yeah.
keep safe.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's a brief review on like terms for letter I. So we have L next. Okay.
L.
Yeah, more very
Oh.
unfamiliar terms. So
It's giving me headache.
yeah.
Yeah, guys, I've only been in this industry for 4 months, I think. So be nice to me, okay? Like, we're all learning together here. So, coffee, you'll be the teacher. Go ahead.
Wow. But I mean, for 4 months, considering that you do a lot for WeGG already, like that is amazing. So,
Aw,
like,
girl,
yeah,
you are.
yes. And I think so. Um, I think that's also the great thing about Web3 is that nobody, in terms of knowledge, like yeah, there are more people who are experienced, but I don't think there really is a hierarchy in terms of knowledge because
Yep,
everyone is
yep,
still learning. So that's really
correct.
the great thing, and most
Mhm.
people in the space are very open to teaching people too. So that's
Yep.
like the great aspect of Web3. So yeah, going to letter L. First word or words, limit
Limit
order.
order. Okay.
An order placed by a trader to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price or better. So yeah, pretty much the definition says it already. So yeah, limit order, it is placed by a trader to buy or sell a cryptocurrency for a specific price or better. From what I understand, I guess from this it's, let's say, in Binance, when you would sell your let's say sell your USDT for
Mhm.
pesos, you will see like a list of prices there, like offered by the buyers, like at what price they will buy your USDT for or your crypto for. So let's
Mhm.
say for example, the very first buyer listed on there put his limit order on 50.0 something. Yeah, and then there will be other offers down there. So that's a limit order from what I understand from this. So, yeah, next is mining, the process of providing liquidity to a decentralized exchange or liquidity pool in return for rewards. So yeah, liquidity.
Yep.
Sorry, I think I cut off for a bit.
It's okay. It's okay, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can
So
hear you
yeah,
now. Hmm.
yeah. My cats messed up my mic. Like, so yeah, yeah. I have 6 cats. I have 6 cats. They like
What?
to mess around. I know. I know.
It's
It's a
okay. Let them learn about Web3. It's okay. Maybe they need to
yeah,
skill up as well.
yeah. They
Let
wanna
them
they wanna
in.
learn. Yep. Okay. I think I heard people join on Discord. Oh yeah. Hello, Lance.
Hello,
Hello,
everyone.
Trafalgar. Hello, Badsu. Hello,
Snorlax.
Snorlax. Yep. Welcome to
Awesome.
the stream. Yeah. So
Welcome,
yeah.
guys.
We just started the part two. Yeah. So if you guys missed it, we just started the part two of our of our Web3 glossary thing. So yeah. Yeah. I and
Thing.
Vitska are mind blown by the amount of terms
I
right
know.
now.
I know.
Yeah. I'll
We're
be
learning,
honest.
guys.
A lot of this will be disposed by my very short-term memory brain in like an hour after the stream.
Girl, same. I think I'm just gonna download this file from Soph and I'll put it on my phone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Plus,
Maybe
it's more
maybe
of like
next
a
time.
slow learn.
I know. Maybe next time, like we need to ask Chin and Irene, which is like the co-founders of WGG, to do this. We skill up.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That's
Right.
a great idea. I think
I know,
for like a week
right?
class from them by
Yep.
like the goats in
I
VGG.
know.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, give a thumbs up or react. We want to see you guys react in the chat box if you would like to see Chin and Irene to host this We Skill Up because yeah, they are the goat, literally.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
Mm-hmm.
everyone like I think there's so much to learn from Irene and Chin pretty really.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like whenever they talk, like you can tell that they're just people bursting with knowledge. So yeah, I think that's like a great thing. So next term, liquidity pool. A smart contract that holds funds contributed by liquidity providers to facilitate trading on decentralized exchanges. So yeah, liquidity pool pretty much the same as like a prize pool type of like I would like to analogize it
Mm-hmm.
to a prize pool. So
Mm-hmm.
it's a pool of funds or yeah, in this case it's a pool of liquidity to facilitate trading on a decentralized exchange. So,
Mm-hmm.
moving on to the next letter, M.
All
Yeah,
right,
M.
here we go.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
So,
oh, okay. Now we have like
yeah.
familiar terms.
Yeah. Yeah.
Praise God for M.
Yeah, okay. So, market order, an order placed by a trader to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at the current market price. Okay, maybe this is much more, this makes this term can be quite similar to the limit order we talked about
Mm-hmm.
earlier, but
Mm-hmm.
this one pertains pretty much more on the market because the limit order, I think, from what I understand, there it's more of like the trader's offer.
Mm-hmm.
This one, it's really based on the current market price for a cryptocurrency. So yeah, it's an order placed by a trader to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at the current market price. Next word is MetaMask, a familiar term to everyone.
Woohoo! Let's
Yeah,
go.
yeah. So I thought that I should include MetaMask still here because yeah, having a wallet like MetaMask, it's pretty much step one to get into Web3. So um so I thought it would be proper to just add it here, even if most people already have or know about MetaMask. So yeah, it's a popular cryptocurrency wallet browser extension that allows users to interact with decentralized applications on the Ethereum network. So yeah, MetaMask is a great wallet to start when it
Mm-hmm.
comes to getting into Web3. And yeah, I think everyone already knows what MetaMask is. So, um, okay, third word mining, the process of validating transactions and adding them to a blockchain by solving complex mathematical puzzles. Now, this one, yeah, I try to really think about like how now that I really think about it, like the word mining, it sounds so simple, but at the same time,
Mhm.
like if you
It's
you
very
can't
complex.
really grasp, yeah, you can't really grasp
Mhm.
how really mining works. I think there are a lot of people there who really grasp it, but I even
Mhm.
from the definition here, like I just, yeah, like it's the process of validating transactions and adding them to a blockchain by solving complex mathematical puzzles. Me, as someone who's not that good with math, I am like, yeah, it's, I guess
Guilty as
it's,
charged.
yeah,
Yeah. Mhm.
it's great what people can do really with technology nowadays.
Yep. Yep.
So
Yep.
yeah, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not good with math. I'm just trying to think. I'm not good with it. Um,
Same.
okay.
Mhm.
Hello, Tim for Win on YouTube.
Oh,
I think he's
hello.
sending emojis. Yeah, hello. Okay.
Oh, that's
Um.
hungry. Okay. Oh, maybe they're reacting to Chin and Irene need to host these skill up.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, we need to make that happen at one point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay, next is multi-chain NFTs,
NFTs.
non-fungible tokens that exist and can be traded across multiple blockchain networks. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
there will be certain NFTs that can be traded only on a specific network, let's say only on Ethereum, but then there will be also NFTs that can be traded on different, like it can be traded on Polygon and Ethereum and any network. So yeah, that's what a multi-chain NFT is. So do I say so? Okay, a question, or like I think something to think for us and the viewers. Are multi-chain NFTs somehow better than like just one chain NFTs, considering that
Oh.
they can serve to different networks? Or
Hmm.
I
I
think,
think I
I don't
think
know.
that's a good discussion to have. I think let's
Yeah.
just throw it to the crowd, and what do you guys think of it? Maybe we can
Yeah,
have
yeah.
like a discussion in the chat box there. Yeah, and also I think people are already like typing in what they think
Yeah, I
about.
see
Hi
Batsu.
Henry.
Oh, Batsu
Mhm.
says, "What's the name? Tell me your six cat's name."
Oh, oh wow. Okay. Go ahead,
Well,
Coffee.
I have very interesting names for my cats. It started out with a theme of like all ending in the E sound, and then suddenly I just dropped it. So,
She gave up.
so yeah, my oldest cat, he has been with me for 6 years. So yeah, this is an advertisement break, I guess, from the learning. Like, so, so,
Sure. Sure.
advertising with six cats. So yeah, my oldest, he's been with me for 6 years, almost
Oh
7.
wow.
His name is Moby, named after the snack, the Filipino snack. Um, yeah.
So cute.
Second is we have Dobby, as in from Harry Potter. Dobby. I don't know if you guys are a fan of Harry Potter.
Yep, yep, yep. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Okay.
And the third one, it was my father who named this cat. His name is Buddy. I don't know, but we stuck with it. It stuck with us. Fourth, fourth we have, yeah. This is where the E starts dropping. The, she is the first girl. She's the first girl
Oh,
of
nice.
my six cats. She is Ginger. Her name's Ginger because her color is very orange, but mixed with other colors. So it's yeah. She looks like a ginger to me. Um, Next, we have Sleepy and Needy. Well, those are just their nicknames
So cute. That's
because
so cute.
because they're,
What?
yeah, but they do, like, I do like to call them Mila and Luigi because of, yeah, of other instances, but their nicknames are Sleepy and Needy because they're twins. They look completely alike, but yeah,
Uh-huh.
one is always sleeping and the other one is always asking for my attention. So yeah.
I like
Yeah,
that.
I can't
Sneaky and
believe we went
needy.
into six cats, into my six cats there
Are you
on
planning to
stream.
adopt more?
Depends if the world gives me more. All of these cats, they were strays that somehow came into
I see.
came into my life, and me being, I don't know, a cat slave, a cat worshiper, I just decided to, yeah, offer my
Just
life, offer
bring
my
them all
services.
in.
Yeah, yep. Yeah, actually,
Nice.
our house is like an entire farm. We do not only have cats, we have multiple dogs. We have turtles.
Oh,
We
nice.
have a
You have.
farm, a mini farm too. We have like chickens and all of that. Yeah, we
Oh
have
my
rabbits.
goodness.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's definitely the
Your life
province
is
life.
so entertaining. I would love to have that.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
nice if you're up for cleaning a lot of poo poo every day. But yeah, it
Okay,
has its
no.
pros and cons. Anyway, that was a very I don't know if that's so random, but yeah, let's go to the
Let's
next
go back. Oh yeah, by the
next.
way,
Oh, N.
don't forget about the discussion, guys. So let
Yep.
us know what you guys think about the NFT and also the what was that? The previous one, the blockchain NFT, was it?
Yeah, multi-chain NFTs. Like, do you
Multi-chain
guys
NFT.
think
Yeah.
multi-chain NFTs are better than NFTs that only serve in one network?
Mm-hmm.
Because yeah, are multi-chain NFTs better just because they can go through different networks at the same time, or only, or do you think it's much more stable or much more safer for NFTs to be, yeah, loyal to one chain, or can be traded in one chain only?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
I think that's a pretty subjective thing, though. I think that's really dependent on the project and their goals as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it's just food for thought, I guess.
Sure.
Yeah, letter N. So
Awesome.
yeah,
Oh,
NFTs.
there you
We are,
go.
yeah, we already
We're
know
talking a
this.
lot about NFT. Is it because we're minting Legends of Illumia NFT tonight? I don't
Wink,
know.
wink. Yeah, wink, wink.
Thanks, guys. The countdown is
Yeah.
on.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so NFT, yeah, we already know what an NFT is. It's a non fungible token. It is a unique digital asset that represents ownership of a specific item, artwork, or collectible on a blockchain. So yeah, an NFT can be a picture of a shoe, a drawing of a face, or anything. As long as it's on a blockchain and someone owns it, that is an NFT. That is a non-fungible token. It can be
Hmm.
traded, it can be put up on the market, and yeah, and I think the key term is it represents ownership. Yeah, just yeah, Web3 blockchain, it really is, it's, I like to think of it as a movement for true ownership of our assets. So this, like, an NFT is just another movement stemming from this big movement, really. So yeah, that's what an NFT is. We have participated in NFT projects before. uh,
Yep.
Tim Forwin asks, Coffee, where are you? I am here. Like,
Yeah, she likes to be anonymous. She likes to be mysterious. Yeah.
Yeah, yes. I'm very pro anonymity. So I don't know. I don't. It's a very pretentious way of saying of like I'm shy. Yeah. So
have you ever shown your face during these lives? Ever?
no. Actually, no.
Really?
Yeah, never. Yeah, I like
Wow.
Sophia has asked me before, and actually, I pondered on it a bit, like thinking, I think, yeah, maybe I can, but yeah, I just
Mm-hmm.
backed out on it because yeah, I prefer to be,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, prefer it to be private. Maybe one day, who knows? So I asked
No
Sophia if
worries,
it's
girl.
okay. If it's okay
Yeah,
to
you
keep
can have like a VTuber or something, right? You can work
wink
your way
wink
around it.
VTuber wink wink VTG's newly yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, if you remember
Period.
why that, yeah, in like YGS we had,
W
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, we just
W3GS. Yeah.
yeah, W3GS, sorry, but yeah,
Yeah.
we basically announced like our actual, yeah, we GG
VTuber.
VTuber. Yeah, so I'm, maybe
Mm-hmm.
I might use that. Who knows? Yeah.
Maybe, maybe, girl.
Yeah.
I'll give you access to it. You know.
Oh, moving. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So yes, Tim,
Nice.
for when I am here, I maybe yeah, maybe. Who knows? Okay, now next letter is O.
Yep.
So yeah, we have pretty simple terms for this
Mm.
one: off-chain, on-chain, open source. So
Mhm.
off-chain transactions or data that occur outside the main blockchain network. On-chain transactions or data that occur directly on a main blockchain network.
Mhm.
And open source software that allows users to access, modify, and distribute its source code freely. So I think a great
Mhm.
example of like open source really it's yeah, like Sam Altman making AI code and all that complicated stuff open source. So and with OpenAI, so that's why yeah, there are people who ask like what started like because we've been actually using and working with AI for years now, but at a very
Mhm.
slow unnoticeable pace. So people are now asking what started this big explosion of AI where almost everything there's an AI tool for it. That's because yeah, OpenAI was one of the first um, companies to make the code for AI open source. So any developer, any company who wants to try to use that code for their yeah for their own AI for their own AI, then they can definitely build on that. So that's what open source is. So yeah, it's software that allows users to access, modify, and distribute its source code freely. So yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
if you are someone who's very smart with these stuff, who knows? You could be the next, next uh Chat GPT founder. Who
Oh
knows?
yeah, sure,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah.
Definitely.
Maybe we have
Yeah.
someone from VGG. So
Definitely.
yeah,
Definitely. I think that's very doable.
yeah.
Yeah. Let us know if that's one of your dreams to create any of these very high-tech stuff that Coffee and I are like about.
Yeah, right now I'm well attempting. I'm not saying I'm attempting to study software development.
That's so
So
nice, Coff.
keyword attempting. It's it is for a
Even
small.
though it's an even though it's an attempt, that's like a big step for you, girl.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
it is. Like I think like the world as it continues to progress, I think we should really adapt to a certain extent.
Mhm.
And I think software development is just a different world to get into and I'm really excited for it. Hopefully it all goes well. But yeah. Um but yeah, who knows? I might make another chat GPT. Who knows? I'm
Oh
kidding.
yeah, sure. I'll be waiting for you, girl.
Who
Yeah, we're
knows?
all
Okay.
rooting for you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay, next letter,
awesome.
letter
P.
P. Okay.
Mhm.
So P, privacy coins.
Mm,
Um, yeah, cryptocurrencies designed to
interesting.
provide enhanced privacy and anonymity for users' transactions. So yeah, these are
There you go.
coins that yeah, if you prefer, to be private, like your transactions are not reflected easily, or like your transactions are anonymous. Yeah, there are specific coins for that, and specific exchanges and specific networks. So that's what a privacy coin is. Um, Next is a private key. We know this. If you have a MetaMask or like a wallet, you pretty much know what a private key and public key is. So yeah, it's a secret cryptographic key that allows users to access and control their cryptocurrency holdings. That's what a private key is. Only you have um access to your private key for your wallets for that that leads you to your assets. Then key, a cryptographic key used to receive cryptocurrencies and verify digital signatures. Pretty much it's your wallet address, so that's what a public key is. Yeah, we briefly talked about these two things when we had our relearn session for wallets specifically too.
Mhm.
So yeah. Next letter is
Cool.
Q. Honestly, I was surprised that there's even like words for Q. Q is yeah. But yeah, we have two very
Hmm.
complicated sounding words, but we'll try to get through it. Quadratic funding, a funding mechanism where the allocation of funds is determined based on the number of individual contributions rather than the total amount contributed. Again, it is a funding mechanism where the allocation of funds is determined based on the number of individual contributions rather than the total amount contributed. So this one, I'm having like I get the gist of it, but I can't put it into words. Um, so it's a way of gathering funding, but sometimes like we, at least from what I understand from this is like when we try to gather funding for a specific project or yeah, a specific goal, we already have like a set goal of like funds that we try to attain. But for Quadrat, I guess from what I understand in this, it is a it instead of like already basing, it will be reversed. We'll be basing on what would be like the funding, or like allocations of funding based on like how many people are individually contributing. So rather than there is a goal that there's already a huge goal that we try to reach, like the goal would be kind of like based or adjusted on like how many people are already contributing. At least that's what I understand from here. Um, Quadratic voting, a voting mechanism where participants allocate a limited number of votes among various options, with voting power increasing quadratically as votes are distributed. So, yeah, I think that's also a great thing about Web3. Like a lot of like Web3 projects or Web3 systems in general, it really emphasizes on a person's
Yeah.
governance or voting. I
Yeah.
like it's kind of like there's a democracy in Web
Yep.
three,
Correct.
so that it's
Correct.
like, which
Mhm.
is something that I love about it too. Like it's like it is really in Web three where I see projects try like uphold and really have the principle of like people first, or like people's feedback first,
Yeah.
which
Yeah.
is which is
Yeah.
great. Yeah.
And people are
So
allowed to voice out their opinions and what they
mhm.
think about the project as well. So I think that's also something that is really intriguing about Web3, which makes me so interested in Web3 because what we do here is like we would love to hear what you think of like the projects that we are doing. So that's good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep. Yep. Yeah. And WeGG is a huge testament to that. Really, WeGG is
Ah,
yeah, a very
woo!
good.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
we want to hear from the community. We want to see you vote on certain things. We want to see your
Hmm.
feedback on what are your interests. Where do you want to see like uh all of like our plans move forward to. I think that's the one of the greatest things about Web3. I mean WeGG and Web3 really. So yeah.
Hmm.
On to
Yeah.
the next letter. We have R.
R. Okay. What do we have in R?
Yeah. Can you roll your R's, Vinska?
R? What?
Yeah. Can you roll your R's? Like
R.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, of course I can.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. Yeah. I was surprised that not everyone can roll their R's.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
I'm a
Mm-hmm.
very ignorant person, as you can tell. Um, so yeah, next is recovery phrase, seed phrase. So yeah, if you have a wallet, you know what it is. A series of words used to restore access to a cryptocurrency wallet in case of a loss or device failure. So I think we
Mm-hmm.
have tried, we installed MetaMask to you. Let's say you bought a new laptop, and you want to get, your MetaMask on there. So yeah, by the time you install the extension, it will ask for your seed phrase to in
Mm-hmm.
order to
Mm-hmm.
recover your already existing MetaMask wallet to that particular
Mm-hmm.
device. So yeah,
Yeah.
only you have access to your seed phrase, and you should never lose that, because if you lose that, you will forever, yeah, be locked out of your wallet. You can never get access to your funds again.
Actually, yeah, good point. Do I have that on notes? Let me open my MetaMask.
Gotta check. Gotta check. Gotta
I
check.
gotta,
Yeah.
I gotta check just in case. Okay, this is a very good learning skill, guy. Thank you so much. All
Yeah.
right, next.
Okay. Next is RPC, Remote procedure call, a protocol used to interact with a blockchain network and request information and perform actions remotely. So you can, yeah, like RPC procedure call. I like to think of it as, yeah, pretty much in Web3, a lot of the things we do here, like for example NFTs, mintings, a lot of it are done remotely, like in the comfort of our homes, in front of our laptops. So
Mhm.
I'd like to analogize it with RPC with that. Yeah, with those instances. Um, Next is royalty mechanism, a system that ensures content creators or artists receive a percentage of sales or usage fees whenever their work is sold or utilized. Yeah, so
Mhm.
royalty mechanism, we're pretty much familiar with it. It's not a very specific thing only in Web3, but yeah, if you are, let's say you are a holder of a certain NFT, or you sold part, depending on the project, they will have like royalty rewards based on that. So yeah, we're pretty familiar with that already. So S, letter S. um okay,
Scaling
scaling solution.
solution. There you
Yeah.
go. Mhm.
Technologies or methods that address the issue of scalability in blockchain networks, enabling higher transaction through throughput. So, yeah,
Mhm.
I mean, essentially, a lot of the things that go on here in Web3 are businesses, and businesses have to be scalable. Our products have to be scalable. So that's what a scaling solution is, from what I understand. It is technologies and methods that help us try to figure out to make sure that what we put out in blockchain is scalable, or it enables higher transactions, so, or a higher rate of transactions. So yeah, that's scaling solution. Next is seed phrase, or I guess that repeated. Did we
Yeah,
repeat that? Yeah, recovery
in the
phrase or
recovery
seed
phase. Yeah,
phrase. Yeah.
we just like put
So
it
yeah,
in
inverted.
different
Yeah.
order.
Yeah,
It's
my
okay.
bad. I don't remember that. But
It's
yeah,
all
we
right. No
yeah.
worries. Maybe we can skip to the smart contract.
Yep, we can. Smart
Mhm.
contracts, self executing contracts with code that automatically enforces and executes predefined terms when certain conditions are met. So, yeah, like in businesses, like we have written contracts. That's how we do it in a traditional setting. There are written contracts,
Mhm.
and there are already predefined terms that both businesses, or even like sometimes there is like a buyer has to sign a contract, and they and the business have like certain terms that they have to meet, certain terms and conditions. But with smart contracts, it is more like automatic, like the predefined terms are already automatically executed through technology. So that's what makes all all these like for example, like an NFT or like a token launch, smart contracts are very involved in this area, where for a token launch, there are conditions and predefined terms that need to be met by both like the company launching the token and the ones that mint the token. And it's automatically executed through the smart contract, so no need for like the whole paper thing already, that can be lost and that can lead to a lot of problems later on. uh, Smart contracts
Yeah.
is much more automatic in this sense. So yeah, this is also a very familiar term with a lot of Web3 people already. So yeah, we're not gonna get into it much. Staking. Yeah, we know what staking is. It's a process of locking up cryptocurrency tokens to support network operations and receive rewards. So like for example, like in Axie back then, we can stake for AXS. So example, I bought like a certain amount of AXS. I add that to the staking pool in hopes of like getting more AXS in returns, like that grows some or something like that. Sometimes it would be just me simply being a holder of an NFT, and then I can stake that NFT and I get like the token for that specific NFT, like as rewards and growing later on. So that's what staking is. We're pretty familiar with that too. Soft cap. the minimum amount of funds a project needs to raise during a fundraising event to proceed with its plan. So yeah, minimum amount. Yep, pretty much less. I'd like to say good. Like soft cap means like capital, the
Mm,
minimum capital for like a project.
yeah.
Sovereign identity, an individual's complete control and ownership over their personal identity information. So I yap about this a lot about what I love about Web3. I really yap about my love for decentralization, for
Mm,
sovereign identity. Yeah, like complete control of like what data we put and where it goes. So I think that's a problem. That's a problem in Web 2 that is very, yeah, that is very prevalent. Like our data is very easily accessed by anyone really, and we don't really have sovereign control in where it goes, where it's being sold to. So the great thing about Web 3 is a lot of the technologies in place here is for, yeah, it's to promote sovereign identity, like a person's sovereign identity. Like we have control really on
yeah.
what data we put out on the internet or online and where it goes, so it's safe, like it's private. So yeah, me, an anonymity geek really loves this principle. So
Oh
yeah.
yeah, I bet you do.
Yep, I do. So yeah, I have a huge bone to pick with like my identity being everywhere, like without my permission even. So
Mm, yeah.
yep. Next is T, a token. We already know what a token is.
Ooh.
A unit of
Mm,
value representing ownership or access rights on a blockchain network. The most popular example of a token is Bitcoin.
mhm.
So yeah, that's that. Yeah, that's a token. It's like yeah, representation, basically like NFTs too, in a way, so that a token. Tokenomics, the economic design and study of how cryptocurrency tokens function within an ecosystem. So basically economic specific for a certain token, like how, yeah, what are the strategies or what is the economic plan for this token, how like how scalable it is, how will this uh, get more holders, be sold more, be transacted more, how what is the burning of the specific token to balance
Yeah.
things out. So that's tokenomics. Next is treasury DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization that manages and governs a project's financial resources. Yeah, pretty much a DAO, like, or like the treasurer part of a specific organization, a decentralized organization in this case. So next we have V. V for Vinska.
Oh yay!
Yeah, V for
Let's learn more
Vinska.
about V in the Web3 base. Yeah. Let's
Yeah.
go.
So yeah, we have two words here. One, validator,
Ooh.
a participant in a proof of stake or delegated proof of stake network responsible for validating transactions
Mm.
and adding blocks. I'll be honest, I it's one of these words where we get what it means, but that we can't really grasp it by image
Honestly,
in the
but it's
brain.
okay. It's pretty self-explanatory by that. Yeah.
Yeah, like we can
Mhm.
understand like what a validator is for. Do
Yep.
I understand like how intricate like it can work? Maybe not. So
Maybe not.
yeah, maybe not yet. Maybe not yet. So yeah.
It's
Okay.
okay. It's a learning
Yeah.
process, but it's pretty self-explanatory for like a dummy like me in the Web3 industry. So
You're
it's
not a
good.
dummy, no.
Not
Okay.
well, we're getting there. Anyway, next.
Virtual reality, metaverses, VR. So yeah, we know what this is. Virtual worlds are environments created using VR technology, often connected through blockchain networks. So yeah, like a huge thing also that Web3 is building on is metaverses and
Yeah.
virtual reality. It is where, yeah, the merging of like real life interactions
Mhm.
but making them more virtual. So yeah, we have seen what VRs do. We put that thing on and then we are transported into another universe basically.
Mhm. Yep.
For metaverses, it's more, yeah, it's more specific to blockchain related worlds. So we have Zepito, which is a metaverse.
Yeah.
Should they add in virtual reality to the picture one day? Who knows,
Mhm.
really? And I think that would be great. Really, that would be
Oh
great.
yeah,
Should that
definitely.
ever, and VTG pretty much is already getting into that trope with our own VTuber. So we're making human interaction more virtual,
Hmm.
in like through blockchain and in the metaverses. So yeah, that's what this means, and that's also one thing a lot of people are excited about in Web3. So yeah,
Anything is
W.
possible in Web3.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Hopefully.
essentially the goal for what
Hmm.
Web3 is. Like things that
Yeah.
we thought are impossible like 10 years
It's
ago, it's slowly
honestly, it's
unfolding in our
possible
eyes.
now. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
So it's like it's always like something new to be excited for every single day here in the Web3 world.
Yep.
So
Yeah, very well said. Yep.
stay
Okay, we
tuned
have
always.
W. W for win. I like to
Oh,
think of that always.
amen.
Okay.
Win win win.
W. Web3.
Web3.
The vision
Okay.
of a more decentralized and user centric internet built on blockchain and decentralized technology. So, yeah, Web3. As I said earlier, what I love about Web3, it's a movement for decentralization, for sovereign identity, for a more a um user centric interactions on the internet. So it's more, for the users, for the people, for their privacy, for their total ownership of their assets. That's the movement that Web3 is creating, which is what I love about Web3. So next, we have wrapped BTC, uh, a tokenized version of Bitcoin that can be used on blockchain networks that support ERC20 tokens. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Um, yeah, maybe I should have put wrap token above before wrapped BTC. Now that I think about it, but yeah. Anyway, wrap
Okay.
token, which we can relate
Mm-hmm.
to wrap BTC, a
BTC. Yep.
tokenized version of an asset from one blockchain network compatible with another network standards.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, like for example, you want uh how do I explain? I'm
Yeah.
trying like it's hard to explain in words because I am not a
Maybe
teacher,
maybe we
but
can
we're trying.
maybe we can ask like the audience, how do you
Yeah.
guys going to explain it if you were us? Because we definitely need to learn as well, guys. So if you have a more like a complex or like a better explanation about rep token and rep BTC, you can definitely put it in the chat box. um yeah.
Oh,
Hmm.
Rin was here in chat earlier. In event chat, she replied to like a climber's comment from back then. She said, "Whoa, that actually looks legit. Anyone else mining BTC through climbers?" Speaking of climbers, yeah,
Uh-huh.
we have our next
We
game
do
night
have
with
game night.
climbers.
Yeah.
Yep, this
This
coming 15th,
Friday.
yeah, Friday. So do
And
not
next
miss
week
that
is going to
too.
be the last one. Yep.
Yep, yeah, it's do not miss that.
Because
Cause
we're going to announce the winners for the quest as well. So
yeah, yeah. Oh wow, we're already at Y. Okay, we're already at Y. So
we're almost
yeah.
there.
Yeah. Okay, wow, wow. More unfamiliar terms that we will get to learn later on. Yay.
Yield. Okay, we're going to talk about yield today.
Yeah, I really like the word yield for some reason.
Yield.
I think it's a really nice sounding word. So, Yield Aggregator, a platform or protocol that automatically seeks the highest yield opportunities for users' funds. Yield farming, a DeFi practice where users provide liquidity to earn rewards in the form of additional tokens. Yield optimization, strategies employed to maximize yield and returns on cryptocurrency assets. So, I think I have an attempt to explain, but let me pull up a dictionary first. So I can't wait. Yeah, so yield pretty much means um to produce or to provide or to generate pretty much. So yeah, yield aggregator platform protocol that automatically seeks the highest yield opportunities or the highest producing, providing, generating opportunities for a user's funds. Yield farming, it is a DeFi practice where users provide liquidity to earn rewards in the form of additional tokens. And yield optimization strategies employed to maximize yield or the maximize, like producing, providing, oops, my bad, producing, providing, generating returns on cryptocurrency assets. So yeah, that's my attempt to explain all of this. So yeah,
Doing great.
um, yeah. Next we have the last letter, Z. Yeah, last letter. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the
Are
last
we
letter of the
there? Oh
alphabet.
wait,
Yeah.
we skipped X, right? So there's no
There's
X in the Web3 world.
from what I tried to research, yeah,
Mhm.
I don't see X. I don't see like terms for X yet.
Or
Maybe
maybe
there
maybe
are.
maybe there are, and we need your input. Maybe you guys
Yeah.
can let us know, share us your knowledge. Is there any terms that starts with X in the
Yeah.
Web3 world?
Yeah, like
Maybe
let
you
us
can
know.
let
Yeah,
us
I tried
know.
scavenging like while I was making this. I tried scavenging and I
Hmm.
really couldn't see like from what I'm trying to research, but maybe there
let
really
me
is.
let
So,
me check my
yeah.
Geek Bible. I'm pretty sure there's no X already. Hold on. I'm not. I don't think Irene has ever mentioned anything with X. Nope. 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 Okay.
Should
All
there
right.
be? It's
Yeah,
more like a project, I feel like. Not really like a
maybe.
Web3 word.
Mhm.
Yeah. But yeah.
Mhm. Mhm. It's all
Yeah.
right.
Maybe
Okay,
who
we're on
knows?
Z.
Yeah, so we have
Awesome.
C. Okay. Next is
Ooh.
okay. Two very
Oh wow. What is this?
yeah, it
I've
looks like a very
never heard of this.
complicated word.
Yeah, I've never heard of this at all. Wow. Okay. Maybe
Zero
I can.
knowledge proof.
Yeah, maybe I
Yeah?
can read it out and then we'll try to talk about it because definitely I have no idea what this is. So,
Okay.
zero knowledge pool or ZKP, a cryptographic method that proves the truth of a statement without revealing any specific information about it. Ooh, okay. All right. Is this like, from your perspective, Coffee, how do you see this term? What do you think of it?
Well, from what I understand, like it is a method in which you can say that a statement is true without revealing like information like divulging information. So I think that is a huge, like for example, like
Hmm.
in law or in court, like from what I know, there are times where um like lawyers have to defend like a certain statement or something to be true without infringing on the rights of like the defendant or the witness,
Mhm,
the rights to privacy pretty much. So I
mhm,
think that's what this is, but in a more cryptographic automated method,
yeah,
right? That's what I
mhm,
understand.
mhm,
Zero knowledge proof, so a statement can be true without you really revealing specific or like yeah, specific information about it. So
yeah,
yeah, that's zero knowledge proof, and I can see
awesome.
that being like a thing or like being possible in Web3, again considering Web3 being all about privacy,
Mhm,
decentralization,
mhm, mhm.
um pro anonymity and all of that. So yeah, I can see that being possible here.
Yep.
ZK rollups, do you want to read?
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. A layer 2 scaling solution that aggregates multiple transactions off chain and submits a single proof to the main blockchain. Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, I'm gonna let that
What
sink into my brain for a bit.
Okay, wait, all
Okay.
right. So ZK is zero knowledge, right? And then rollups, from what I know, is a candy. But apparently, it's a layer two scaling solution that aggregates multiple transactions off chain and submits a single proof to the main blockchain. Irene, we need you. Maybe
Okay.
like sometimes we need someone who can like explain a little bit more, like, but it's okay. It's all
Yeah,
right.
so I looked into it. Roll ups in
Mm-hmm.
crypto, they perform transaction execution
Mm-hmm.
outside the main Ethereum blockchain and send transaction data back to the main Ethereum network. That's what a roll up is. But since
Mm-hmm.
they're like ZK, um like so in here, so it
Mm-hmm.
is a layer 2 scaling solution that moves computation and state off chain into off chain networks while storing transaction data on chain on layer 1 network. An example to that is Ethereum itself. So I think this is part of the terms that people should be looking into a lot more, because
Mm-hmm.
it's what we have here on screen is pretty surface. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and there are different, it goes into different things that ZK roll, like there are ZK roll up coins. Um
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and
Coins. Okay. Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
there are ZK roll up coins. And then there's ZK EVM roll ups. I've heard of that too. I've heard that being thrown out in Web3. So yeah, it's one of those. It's one of those terms people really, in order to know more about it, you really need to look into it. So like yeah. Um and then there's such a thing. There's more to it. Like there are like optimistic roll ups, and some people, I see articles writing here that CK rollups are the future of smart contract blockchains.
Mm-hmm.
So so it's, again, it's definitely one of those things that we have to really dig into the internet in order
We
to know.
need to let that marinate into our brains.
Yeah, like, yeah.
Yeah,
So
I
yeah.
think we really need to read this this geek Bible or this Web3 glossary as we read the Bible itself. Like we need
Yep.
to sink that in. Especially for me, I don't know about you, Coffee, because I think you know your way around it, but not me. So I think I
Oh.
need this file after this live. Thank you. Yeah.
So it's like, pretty much like the great thing, I guess, about like our relearn, like our different sessions and
Mhm.
live streams here on
Yeah.
VGG. It's, yeah, like for we learn, this is every, like, you and me and the community
Mhm.
learning together. I
Yeah.
like to think of it as like, a study group session, right? And in a
Yeah.
study
Yeah.
group session, usually it's more like people brushing through terms together, helping each other understand. Oh, William Roberts says, "Yay, private classes
Private
with Sky
classes
and
and
Coffee."
all.
Hello, yeah, we just so
Yeah.
we just went through our Web3 glossary, the entire thing. So and we just finished on the last letter Z. So yeah, again, that's the great thing about like this session. I feel like it's not about like
We
there's a
get to
teacher. Yeah, there's
no,
not a
we get
teacher
to
and
learn from
students.
each other.
Yeah, that we get to
Definitely.
learn from each
Mhm.
other. And as I
Mhm.
said earlier, right, the great thing about Web3 in general is that there are more people experience, but then never has it been like there's like a hierarchy type of thing based on like the
Mhm.
knowledge that you know, because everyone is still learning in Web3
Yeah.
essentially. And
Right.
everyone is willing to teach too. Like those who are more experienced, they're more willing to
Yes.
teach, and they're more
Mhm.
willing to learn from whoever they're teaching to as well. So yeah, that's what I love about this space so much, and that's why I love
Same.
WeGG doing these
Woohoo!
different initiatives, providing these
Yes.
different initiatives, opportunities for the community, like like learning together. I think that's a great
Mhm.
thing. Like, and I think that
Again,
should be more common.
again, WeGG stands for we learn, we earned, build, and we have fun.
Yeah, yeah. It's
I think
we, like
I
the term we. Yeah, really.
yeah, we together, so we do it all together, and I think learning is one of the biggest thing here in WeGG as well. I personally feel I'm being helped by a lot of people here every time I don't understand about anything. So if you guys also have any questions about the Web3 world that you guys still curious about, or you guys would like to know more, you can definitely ask within the community in our Discord, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people who will help you through it, because again, we learn together, guys. So yeah.
Yeah. Yep, yep. And yeah, so that pretty much concludes our session um today. And yeah, so if you guys have also like things you want to learn more about, do suggest. You can suggest in the community.
Yes,
Hey,
definitely.
you can tag me or Vinska, like, hey Coffee, hey Vinska, I think this is
Yeah.
something that is interesting to learn about
Yeah.
together. And
To
yeah,
talk
again,
about, to
like, yeah.
discuss. Yeah, let us know if there's anything you would like us to discuss and to learn together. We would love to learn with all of you guys. And maybe in the next, I think I have a great idea, Kof. Maybe in the
Yeah.
next skill up or we learn, we can like invite someone from the community to go up with us and like, discuss this because for
Ooh.
now it's only us as hosts, right? But we really
Yeah.
need to invite the community in as well so we can have like a live discussion about Web3. I think that would be great, don't you think?
Yeah,
Mhm.
that would be really great. So yeah, oh okay, yeah, I am rooting for, yeah, let's see who is here on Discord. We see
Oh,
Batsu. We
okay. Hey,
see
we
we see
we we
Gong.
see we see we see Bet here saying, "Hit me up on Discord to learn about Web3 together with me." I'm gonna screenshot this. This is living proof.
Wait, where did Best say it? Where did Bet say it?
It's in YouTube. He said it. I
Oh,
put it up
he.
already.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I was looking at Discord. If we have on Discord to learn.
Oh, Discord.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh,
Yes, yes,
awesome.
yes, let's
Nice.
go.
Let's
Yeah,
go,
that would
Bet.
be great. That would be great.
Yeah. We will definitely invite Bet up after
He
this.
says I have a bad feeling. Yeah, I mean, why not, right? I think that is a great way to make this more interactive and fun, really. So think of it as like a classroom, and like we ask everyone to raise hands, and we chose the
Yeah.
one who did not raise their hand to answer. So yeah, yeah, I'm kidding, but
No, no, no.
yeah,
We won't
we'd
scold
love
you
to
like
have
that.
you, but
Yeah, but we will love to have like a discussion with you. So it's not like a teacher and students thing. It's definitely a group. It's a group,
yes,
a teamwork. Yeah, for
this
real.
is bad
This is bad
omen.
omen.
For real. No, no, it's not a bad omen.
No,
We have our
that's a
faith
great
in you.
contribution.
Yeah, we have
Yeah,
our faith in you and your knowledge too. I have a feeling
yeah.
Bet knows more than I do, pretty much,
Oh,
honestly.
oh,
So,
definitely. He's one of my teachers as well, and to walk
ah,
me through Web3. So that's great. Yeah, hit him up. Hmm.
okay. Note.
Definitely.
I will note that you took a
I will.
screenshot of it. Yeah, I will
I
spam it.
will. You will like private chat him, and then you'll be like, "This is the receipt of me asking you." I can ask you. You're reliable. This is the receipt.
She
You.
lied. Stop picking things up, Vinska. Oh no, 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 no. She already has the screenshots. We have the receipts,
Yeah,
and I will
we
be
do.
spamming your DMs with them next week. See you, bet. Yeah.
Awesome. I think I had a
Okay.
great time today. Thank you so much, Coffee, for leading us
Yeah.
in the Web3 glossary. I think it's great. And I'm looking forward to have more sessions with you and our communities as well here in our platform. Hmm.
Yeah, yep. Likewise, Vinska, thank you so much for joining me. And thank you for
Thank you.
everyone who joined in, who watched in. I hope you guys learned because I and Vinska definitely learned a lot. So, yeah,
Yes.
see you. Okay, again, reminding everyone 3 p.m.
Tonight.
UTC. Yeah, tonight, live would be the WGG X Treasure Hunt X Legends of Illumia Epoch
Mm-hmm.
minting plus mystery boxes. So yeah, this will be the first time ever in Web3 that we will see the merging of like Web3 Web3 aspects like of minting
Yep.
plus receiving of the real life
One
rewards. I
hour
think that
left,
is great.
guys.
Yeah, so
1 hour.
yeah, 1
One
hour.
more
Oh
hour.
yeah, 1 hour left.
Yeah,
So
one
yeah,
more hour.
yeah,
Mm-hmm,
stay
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
posted on social media, and you will,
Yep.
yeah, the minting link will be posted. So yeah, see you all,
See
and
you.
we have a lot of things in store for you. So bye bye. Hope you all have a great week.
See you in the next
Bye.
session, guys. Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.
See you.
WXP is our unique XP point that can be used as credit to purchase merchandise on our platform. You can earn WXP by participating in activities such as quests, events, and tournaments on the platform. You can check your task by clicking on your Tasks tab to complete the task and claim a reward. You can check your WXP by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner. WXP can be used to purchase items on our marketplace at w3gg.io/marketplace. More items will be available in the future. That's not all. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the future.